Okay, Mario, Gauri Pillai from Mumbai. Can you tell us about the philosophy of one man, one engine?
Okay, one man, one engine means that an AMG engine is completely handcrafted. That means one of our master technicians, we have over 60 at AMG in Affalterbach in Germany, built the engine completely by hand. They have what we call a cradle, and then he starts building the engine. And that's very unique in the industry, and he actually signs his masterpiece with an engine plate with his signature on it. And it's such a successful thing that we do, that we have customers that come to AMG on a weekly basis and want to get to know their engine builder. So it's not just a great process with a lot of quality within the process, it's also something that works for the brand, so it's almost synonymous for the brand One Man, One Engine.